Hey YouTube family, I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back once again to our daily hacking news series. We hope you enjoying this series. If yes, hit the like button and now let's get right into the video. So first news is related to one of the latest SQL injection method. So recently a group of academic has demonstrated a novel attack that leverages text to SQL model to produce malicious code that could enable adversaries to glean sensitive information and stage DDoS attack. It's not DDoS, it's basically DOS attack, denial of service attack. So this is such a good development and for the good thing for the research. Also, basically, Jutan Pang, who is the researcher at the University of Sheffield, so they have told to the Hackers News that to better interact with the users, a wide range of database applications employ AI technique that can translate human questions into SQL queries, which is named as text to SQL. So they have also said that they have found that by asking some specially designed question, crackers can fool text to SQL model to produce malicious code. As such, code is automatically executed on a database. So the consequence can be pretty severe, for example, data breaches and DOS attack. This is good. By seeing this image, you can do a lot of research by yourself as well. Anyway, now the next news is related to Trojanized Telegram application. So recently, Advanced Persistent Threat Group, which is called APT Group, known as Strong PT, has targeted the Android user with Trojanized version of the Telegram app through fake website that impersonate a video chat services called Segal. So a copycat website mimicking the Segal services is used to distribute Strong PT's mobile backdoor app. So this was said by the ESET malware researcher Lucas Stefko, and they this was said basically in a technical report. And later on, they have added that the app is modified version of the open source Telegram app and repackaged with this the strong PT backdoor. Strong PT, basically, those who are not familiar, basically this is also known as APTC 41 and Prometheum. This is basically a cyber espionage group which is active since at least 2012, with a majority of its operation focused on Syria and Turkey. This existence of group was first publicly reported by the Kaspersky in the October 2016, and I hope you all know Kaspersky is what is this. This is one of the best antivirus services. I think Russians are operating this, but I'm not promoting anyone. But this is, I guess, one of the best solutions that the market is having. Anyway, now next news related to Microsoft. So recently, the Microsoft has addressed a known issue breaking provisioning on Windows 11 22 S2 system and leaving enterprises endpoint partially configured and failing to finish installing. So this issue was first acknowledged on October 2022 when Redmond said using provision package, which is .ppkg file that helps configure endpoint on enterprise or a school network without imaging. And after installing the Windows 11 2022 update, that might not work as expected and which is falling under 0x800700B7 error. So the company also said that window might only be partially configured and out of the box experience might not finish or might restart unexpectedly. Really, Windows 11, I personally don't recommend Windows 11. Basically, this is doesn't feel very comfortable, and I really suck. Windows 11 sucks. Better on the switch to Linux, Debian especially. Anyway, it's all on you. Now last news is related to GitHub. So GitHub has introduced a new option to set up code scanning for a repository, which is known as default setup, which is designed to help developers configure it automatically with just a few clicks. So while a code code analysis engine, which power GitHub code scanning, come with the support of many languages and compiler. The new option shows up for Python, JavaScript, and Ruby repositories. So the product marketing manager Walker Chabot said that the GitHub is working on expanding support to more languages over the next 6 months. So that's all for today, I guess. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have comment and feedback, you may subscribe because we are one and only YouTube channel, those who are coming up on with daily hacking news, and we are bringing daily hacking news on daily basis. So at last, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Jai Hind.